Welcome to ProUpcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Wednesday, April 7th, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Sarah Fletcher. Today's news is sponsored by Covenant Reliance Producers. We build success stories. For more information, please visit www.crproducers.com. Now for today's headlines. In its first earnings statement since having filed for bankruptcy, General Motors today reported a $4.3 billion loss for the fourth quarter of 2009, but says the auto company is on the right track for a profitable year. The 2009 loss includes the pre-tax impact of a $2.6 billion settlement loss related to the United Auto Workers Retiree Medical Plan and a $1.3 billion foreign currency remeasurement loss. Without those items, the loss would have been closer to $600 million. According to GM's new CFO, quote, "The underlying profitability is not as bad as it would seem," he said. "We don't need to make that much of an improvement to get to profitability," unquote. In economic news, only 29 metro areas reported unemployment rates at or above 15% in February, a decline from a figure of 35 in January. The Bureau of Labor Statistics points out that California and Michigan have experienced the most significant job loss. In fact, of the cities with jobless rates of 15% or more, 13 were in California and 4 were in Michigan. And finally, in those metro areas with populations of 1 million or more, Detroit reported the highest unemployment rate at 15.3%, while Riverside, California saw a rate of 14.7%. In regulatory news, the Securities and Exchange Commission voted 5-0 in support of a proposal that would make Wall Street firms that package and sell asset-backed securities hold at least 5% of the loans on their own books. This comes as part of an effort to defend the financial system from another collapse like the one that rocked the economy in 2008. The SEC proposal, which may be enacted after a 90-day comment period, would require the 5% minimum holding by the firms as a condition of the SEC approving their offerings. This way, firms would be more careful to ensure that borrowers are properly screened. I'm Sarah Fletcher, and thanks for watching ProUpcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.